Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Zoom session from me for the monthly breakdown, right? Apologies that I've been quiet for some time, maybe for 2 months, but I saw that people wanted the videos back. I was just busy with some things, personal life. Anyway, getting straight to the point, what you all are here for. By the way, we have a website, tradingempire.co.za. It gives mentorship, merchandise, and copy trading. So look out for it, check it out, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll really try and keep the videos consistent. Okay, let's get straight to the market, right? Investing.com, economic calendar. Okay, guys. So the previous week was supposed to be NFP, right? And that didn't happen because they've closed down the US government or something like that, markets or something for a while. So this week, this week. So it usually happens on the first week, but it seems like it might happen this week, right? But it's not 100% certain. We will know by Thursday. But yeah, expect that NFP to happen this week. Okay. Um, then there's a lot of holidays, as you can see from China, South Korea. Uh, Probably will expect good movement here for FOMC and 10-year T-note tomorrow, because today's Tuesday, tomorrow, right? Okay. And then just FYI, next week, Wednesday is CPI. This is the news that I love trading, CPI. So usually it spikes one direction, but last month it played us, it did us dirty. But yeah, we will try it again. But yeah, just note that CPI next week, and then this week we're just looking for NFP. All right. Getting straight to the charts now. Let us see. Okay. So there's a few pairs that I'm looking at. Okay, let's start. I am predicting uh DXY strength, right? If I go to a higher time frame, let's go to daily. Yeah, looks better on daily. So that's the trend. It's been moving downwards, Unish. Bearish flag. Then I'm expecting breakout retest. Then we go to the upside. So DXY strength, support has been holding. Good. So we're expecting some USD strength, right? So we're expecting USD to be strong. So with that said, let's look at EURUSD. EURUSD, for me, it has the Elliott wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at 5 now. I'm expecting that retracement, which equals USD strength, right? If I look at it from a weekly perspective, that zone is a key zone for me for that going down. So yes, we're expecting some bears on EURUSD down movement. Cool. So I have this moving average that if you want to know, you can message me on the comments below and I'll tell you, but I won't tell everyone. Anyway, I use it for the trend basically. So you can see that when price is below on daily, it's a downtrend. When price is above it, it's a uptrend. So to really sell this, I'm looking for price to close below it, right? Another thing is on H1 for entries. I use it on H1 for entries. So once price breaks above that line, I look for a breakout and then it has to come retest on that moving average to confirm that I need to buy. So yeah, I use it like here, it broke below. came back, retested on the moving average, and then it dropped. So you can see the moving average is holding us a resistance from the bottom. So I'm looking for that down movement. Every time it touches from the below, I feel confident to sell it. So I'm just letting you know about that too. It's important. But yeah, the bigger picture, daily, we're looking for sales. And then since obviously Euro USD and GBP USD move the same way, I'm looking for sales as well here, right? Cool. So that's what I'm looking for. And then looking at that moving average I'm telling you about, where am I supposed to enter? When price breaks below and retests, then I'll enter. You see here, price moved above and then retested. That was my entry. And then if it still holds on that line, that's my entry. See how easy that is. Must simplify trading. Anyway, so yeah, we're looking for that move to the downside. So we've covered DXY. We did say this is a bearish flag, breakout, retest. That's what we're looking for. Cool. And then, yeah, and since we're looking for DXY strength, sorry, let's look at USD ZAR. USD ZAR also has something like a bearish flag. So it's been holding support at this level. We're just waiting for the breakout above. See, but since it's busy on that moving average, it's busy rejecting on daily on H4. Let's see on daily. On daily, on daily, there's nothing to see there, but let's check H1 for entries. So yeah, I'm just waiting for price to be above this moving average to be able to buy it, but it's been holding this um support. Right, cool. So that's USD pairs covered. I'm looking for downside for BTC USD at that level, USD strength. Um, Here, not too sure. Just waiting for confirmation for this one. But there's a resistance area there, so it might not go all the way up there. We're looking for USD strength. Cool. Now, I've covered all of that. Okay, so the Japanese yen, just FYI, I'm expecting um this is what I'm expecting strength on yen. Strength, right? On yen. So if we look at USD JPY, um I had predicted on Friday that it's gonna be a buy, right? Because I had my 5 wave move down and expected that one to there. And then yeah, that's where price is right now. So we made good profit because of this gap. So we made good profit from USD JPY. But yeah, price is right there. So I am expecting uh bearish momentum now, you know, since it came there to the top. I'm expecting bears to come now for all JPY pairs because, like I said here, I'm looking for the bulls to come in for that inverse head and shoulders. So if JXY Japanese yen is strong, that means all JPY pairs should drop till the end of the year. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay. And then let's go to gold. So gold has no, like it's at its highest point ever, and for the past 3 months, it's just been bullish, not even a bearish candle. So that's October, September, since August, September, October. It's just been flying high. No, not even one bearish candle. So let's look how many candles usually before a bearish candle on the monthly. It's like one, two, three, and then a bearish one, two, three, then maybe 4 bearish. 1, 2, 3, then there's bearish momentum. So 1, 2, 3, maybe it will start dropping from November. But yeah, us trading something that's here on top, trying to sell it, we need at least a weekly. We need at least a weekly candle, a weekly red candle, bearish candle to even consider trying to sell it. And trying to buy something when it's this high is taking a lot of risk. So gold for me is not a trade. Gold and silver, like I wouldn't risk my money on them, right? Cool. And then we've got US 30 and Nasdaq, right? They move the same direction as gold. You know, when gold rises, US 30 and Nasdaq move up, but these two can drop, right? Obviously, we must consider the fundamentals of these stocks in terms of it's almost December now and people are spending, you know, people get bonuses, people are buying gadgets. It's that time of the season. So uh, there's a bullish run at the moment because of those things. You know, iPhones also came out new version, so you expect the Nasdaq also to be rising. So yeah, we need a bearish candle, like a big bearish candle before we even try and sell these. So don't get tempted to, at least for US 30, we've got the bearish candle, right? We just need it to close bearish for this week, and then we'll trade it after NFP. So that's what I'm looking for. And Nasdaq, I'm looking for at least on weekly a bearish candle. But trying to trade it now, no. So Nasdaq, US 30, gold, silver, no. Yeah. So that's the short and long of it. Hoping to do another video to next week. Yeah, next week. So I'm gonna try and be consistent with it. But yeah, this moving average, as I've shown you, helps a lot. You know, I don't need a lot of indicators. I've managed to refine it to just one. That helps me. So yeah, if you want it, comment below or go on to Trading Empire website, click on the WhatsApp, and then you'll communicate with me. 100% guys. That's it for this week. So that's what I'm expecting for the month. You know, some strong Japanese yen and strong USD. So USD JPY will tell us which one is going to be the stronger one.